Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can turn off your computer or turn on your computer. I will show you how you guys can run some specific applications. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you how you guys can turn off your computer. All right. So this is the virtual machine that I am using. I'm going to show you how you guys can turn off with the help of a virtual machine. So head over to the start and open up the talk scheduler. Just like this. And yeah, you guys wanted to create a basic task over here. This is a basic task. Click, and then you want to give a name here. You can name anything as you guys wanted to, like let's say shutdown automatic. All right, so now click on next, and you can click on daily and then click on next. So here we need to give a specific time that whenever you guys wanted to turn off your computer. So right now it's 12:34, so we are going to turn this off in 12:36 and click on next and click on start program. All right, so here we need to browse, go to C drive, go to C drive here, and then double click on Windows, and you need to find here system 32. So here is a system 32 we have, and type here like shutdown so that you can directly use this, and click on open. So this is the shutdown.exe execution, so give here like /, this is the execution command, and click on next. Now click on finish, and you guys are ready. All right, so now it's been activated. You can see that you are about to be signing out, and there you go guys. So it's shutting down your computer, and there you go. So we are disconnected. So this is how you guys can turn off the computer automatically whenever you guys wanted to. So now if you guys wanted to turn on your computer automatically, I won't be able to show you in my virtual machine because the BIOS of this virtual machine, it doesn't have such features that you can turn on. Okay, and yes, I mean you need to access BIOS. All right, if you guys can't access BIOS, then you won't be do this activity. So I will show you some images so that I can illustrate to you and how you guys can turn on this feature. All right, so first go to Google and type Dell Auto on Time. So if you have a HP laptop, then you can replace HP Auto Time, or whatever the laptop you have, just type your laptop name and just make sure you type here like Auto on Time. So this is the feature. Okay, so in Dell we have like this, like Auto on Time. As you guys can see that there is Auto on Time, so you can use this feature and it just literally work same thing. Like this is Auto Time. You can see that you can pick up the time and you can choose every days or selected days as well. So this dude have unselected the Friday and check all of the days. So, and he is also turning on his computer on 10:34 a.m. So you can do the same thing on your BIOS setting and save that out, and it should automatically turn on your computer or laptop. So I'm really sorry that I won't be able to show you because my BIOS is not supported with these features, and I hope you guys understand what I'm talking here. If you guys have any kind of issue, then let me know in a comment. All right, so let's launch for the program. So once again, open up the task scheduler. All right, now create a basic task. This time I want to open up Audacity. So first, right click on this Audacity and open the file location. And you guys will need to copy this directory of the program that you guys are going to launch. It may be Photoshop or whatever. All right, on name, give Audacity or whatever application that you guys wanted to launch it up, and click on next. So click on daily, and whenever you wanted to launch this application, you can give a time, like let's say 40, and click on next and start a program. So here click on browse, go to Audacity directory and select the application.exe or audacity.exe and click on open. And this time for application, you guys don't need to add arguments or whatever. So click on next and click on finish. So this will be started on 12:40 p.m. and 12:40 p.m. not accurate, but I think it's 12:40 50 seconds. So it's been like 12:40 right now, so we need to wait for 50 seconds. And let's see if the Audacity launch up automatically or not. And there we go, guys, the Audacity has been launched automatically. Well, this is how you guys can use task schedule for automate your programs or automate your computer to turn on or turn off. So if you guys found this video useful, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys like this type of content. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.